traders looking at the pound Aussie on daily time frame. So if we have a look at this chart here, I'm just going to mark up yesterday's daily high. So we are pushing into a previous daily high, and yesterday's daily low is here. So we've got this trading range that we're involved in at the moment. Okay, yesterday's a bullish candle, we had quite an extensive move. Now I'd be looking for an entry pretty well midway through this. Let's just open this up. If we pick up the Fibonacci low to high, I want to see a pullback down. Okay, this is overextended. We're trading into these highs. We've got liquidity above here that's been currently run at the moment. So my play on this would be, even if we go to a 4 hour, yeah, I mean look, 4 hour low to high, even take that out. I would run it from the Fibonacci right there. I'd be looking to get involved around here. Now the other thing that we have with this is this green candle, okay, bullish imbalance. So that's a prime area for or a target for this to retrace into. So that would be my play on the pound Aussie. All right, now targets, let's just go out to the daily. What have we got here? Okay, you can look left. Okay, there's a target number 1, and if it continues up, then we've got target number 2. But just be careful because, oh yeah, no, we've broken. No, sorry. Okay, we've got this range from here to here. Right, so this is the range that we're currently trading within. This is a big level. Right, so that would be a target for big money. You know, they accumulate down here, they accumulate it here, right? And this is an ideal level for big money to, well, pair their orders and bail. And now we're heading into the end of the week, so just be careful, guys. We could get a decent pullback here. So today, I would like to see the move back down in here, and possibly we continue up. But come Friday, if that doesn't play out, I'd be very careful, because we could see, you know, even if it does push up into here, Friday could give us a pretty deep pullback. So just watch out for that. That's my take on the pound Aussie. Now here's the thing. The way to get involved with this is on the 15 minute, just clear everything. What I'm looking for is this move. We know that we want to target this 50% or around about here. And before we do, let's just establish the daily. Yep, okay. Fibonacci. We'll just pull it from this previous daily low to the high. Yeah, because we've got this imbalance resting around this 50 to 61.8. In fact, here's a way to do it. Look, let's open up the 4 hour on this chart here. And we have 2 charts to refer to. So do that, and we can grab that and pull our 4 hour imbalance through there. And yeah, I love these, the way these charts can, and you know, we can work with them. All right, this is my target area for a pullback, guys. Now, what I want to see is price. Oh, I can't find my fib. Hang on. What am I doing? Low to high. Having one of those days, guys. Just pull that out a little bit. Yeah. All right. What I want to see now is price to start trending lower. Grab that. Lower we go. And I wanted to find support range a little bit and then displace north. Now, this is the first target for this to play out. That's my preference. If it trades lower than this, in other words, if it breaks this 50, I guess I'm a little bit more reluctant to get involved. In saying that, you know, the way to get involved, if it does break lower, you have to wait for, you know, price structure to set up, or, you know, you've got to wait for, you know, if this is trending down, the break of market structure bullish. All right, so you need to wait for that. It trades down, it ranges, and then it starts trading bullish, breaks market structure, and then we can get involved on the higher high, higher low as it starts to shape up. I would prefer if it occurred around this level here. I'm more inclined to get involved when it trades into an imbalance and it holds above the imbalance. So if that's the case and it does play out, then my buy, say, on the retest, stop loss can be pretty tight, can just go directly under the low. So, you know, if it's run into the imbalance and pushed off from that, right? If it breaks through the imbalance and just, there's no trade, we'll just let it go. And you know, we could look for these targets here. I'll just set that up. So targets, what are that, 4-hour time frame? Okay, so we got target 1. That would be, well, T1, I would probably go in here, and that you could take 50% off if you like. So let's just call that a target. That'll do. At TP level. TP, that'll do. All right, we've got another target at the high here. Target 2. And what have we got here? We've got 2.6. You know, I mean, look, you could go for a 3-hour. That'd be a nice outcome if we got that. But just have a look left on the daily time frame and just see what we have. Okay, so if you wanted to go for, all right, have a look over here. Yeah, it's going to run into some, you know, this low here, low of this bearish imbalance. Bearish order block, and it coincides with this high. That would be my ultimate target, I reckon. Because you know, after that, it's probably going to pull back considerably around here. So that gives us, you know, just over 2R. Guys, that's my take on the pound Aussie. I'd really love it if you commented below. That would be awesome. Now, if it fails to pull back, I'm going to let it go. I really need this to come down into my this 50% level. You know, if it trades off without me, then, you know, I will abandon the trade. But, you know, if it trades back down in here and we get this set up, I'm interested. Okay, guys, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.